Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 60 questions, right? In this video we'll be solving the remaining questions. Okay, let's go to the first question. 64th question. The question is given followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Answer the question and the statements. Question. What are the unique values of x and y, where x and y are distinct natural numbers? Okay. X by y is odd. Okay. X into y is 12. It means what? Either it should be 1 comma 12 or 2 comma 6 or 3 comma 4. And what is telling? X by y is odd. If I take, see, if we take this set of values, 6 by 2 is what? 3. See here, 12 by 1 will be 12. So it is even. And see, 4 by 3 is fraction. So it's telling unique values, right? So unique values will be what? X is equals to 2 and y is equals to 6. This is only possible. So that means, yes, we are getting the unique values by using statement number 1 and statement number 2. Right? So that means answer will be C. The question can be answered by using both the statements together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. Okay. Now, 65th question. A question is given followed by two statements, 1 and 2. Consider the question and the statements. Who received the least amount? See, certain amount was distributed among x, y, and z. X received 4 by 5th of y and z together. Okay. So that means what? X is equals to 4 by 5 times of y in y plus z. Right? That means how can you write this? 5x is equals to 4y plus 4z. Right? So let this be equation number 1. Next, y received 2 by 7 times of x and z together received. See here, y is equals to this what? Here. Y is equals to 2 by 7 times of x plus z. That means 7y is equals to 2x plus 2z. Okay. So we'll do what? Let's multiply this equation with 2. It will become what? 14y is equals to 4x plus 4z. No, let's take this equation here. 14y is equals to 4x plus 4z. Okay. Now, if you subtract, what will you get? 14y minus 5x is equals to 4x minus 4y. This 4z get cancelled out. Now, after rearranging, 18y is equals to 9x. That means x is equals to 2y. Right? Here we got x is equals to 2y. Now, let's substitute the equation number 1. If x is equal to 2y, 10y is equals to 4y plus 4z. Right? Then 6y is equals to 4z. So y will be what? 2z by 3. So that means, see here, x is equals to 2y, so x greater than y. Right? And see here, y is also less than z. So who has received least amount? Y. You got the value, the answer how? By using what? Statement number 2 and statement number 1 and 2 together, right? So answer will be C. Right? You could get the answer by using two statements, but we cannot determine the answer by using any one statement alone. Okay? Let's go to the 60th question. If the average marks in a class are 60, then what is the number of students in the class? Okay. There are, what is telling? We don't know that how many people are there. Right? I'll take number of students as n. Okay. It's telling what? Sigma n by n is equals to 60. Right? From 1 to n. Their marks. Okay, that's it. In the statement number 1, the highest marks in the class are 70 and the lowest are 50. Okay. He's asking number of students here. So by using statement number 1, you cannot say the number of students. How many are there? No. Go to statement number 2. Exclusion of highest and lowest marks from the class does not change the average. So let's check if it is helpful or not. See here, how can we, if this is equation number 1, how can we write it as? I'll take sigma 1 to n minus 2. We are removing 2 people plus what are the highest marks? 70. Least marks 2. See here, there are n minus 2 and these are 2 people. Total n minus 2 plus 2. It will be n on n. No? Okay. From 1 to n, right? This is by n is equals to what? 60. Right? Again, is telling what? If we remove the highest and lowest marks, the average is same. That means sigma 1 to n minus 2 of n by n minus 2 is equals to 60. Right? See, let's solve the equation. See what sigma 1 to n minus 2 is equals to 60 times of n minus 2. Right? Let this be equation number. Let's substitute in the equation number 1. 60 to n minus 2 plus 70 plus 50 by n is equals to 60. Right? So ultimately what will become? 60n minus 120 plus 70 plus 50 is equals to 60n. See here, these are getting cancelled. So you can't find n value. And see here, minus 120 plus 70 plus 50. This is 120. This is minus 120. So these are also getting cancelled. So even by using both these statements also, we couldn't able to tell how many students are there in the class. Okay. Answer will be what? 66. Answer is B. Okay. Cannot answer. Question. There are 3 distinct prime numbers whose sum is also prime number. Right? What is the question? What are those 3 numbers? Right? Is asking only those 3 numbers. That means it should be a unique set of values. Right? Okay. Statement number 1. Their sum is less than 23. Okay. Next, one of the number is 5. See, what are the prime numbers? 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Okay. Now, he's telling what? One of the number is 5. Okay. Let's take one number is 5. And let's check whether the sum is sum of the 3 prime numbers is also prime number. So what can we take? You can take 2, 3, 5, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Since 2 is an odd number, since 2 is an even number, the other 2 will be definitely odd number side. So odd plus odd will be even, and even plus even will become even. So 2 can't be the number. So we'll take what? Let's take 3, 5, 7. What is 3 plus 5? 8. 8 plus 7? 15. So it is not possible. Right? 5, 7, 11. 5 plus 7? 12. 12 plus 11? 23. Okay. We'll take what? 5, 7, 11. Right? And how many are possible? Other things? Yeah. See, this sum is 23, right? No. If we fix 5, 5 plus 7, 11 completed, no? The next number will be what? See, already 3, 5, 7, it is not possible, right? You can take 5, 7, 11, and 5, 7, 11 also completed. 5, 7, 13, it will become 25. 5, 7, 15, right? So this way you can take any number set. That means what? By using statement number 2, we cannot find the unit set of values. So statement number 2, by using statement number 2, we cannot find the value. Now it's telling sum is less than 23. Okay, so we should find the sum of these prime numbers, which should be less than 23. I think. Let's check whether it is possible or not. See here, we can take 3, 5, it is 8, right? 8. Okay, 8 plus 11 will be what? 19. Right? See, this is sum is less than 23, right? Okay, let's check whether we are getting other triplets where sum is less than 23. So if we get other the statement 1 also, we can't use to find the answer. So let's take 3, 5 again. We can't take 3, 5. Okay. So 3, 7 will be 10. 10 plus 11, 21. Okay. If we take 13, if we take 13, we'll get 23. But it is telling it should be less than 23. So that means we're getting only one value where the sum is less than 20. That is this one. So you could be able to get the answer by using statement only 1. Right? Answer will be what? A. Question can be answered by using one statement alone and cannot be answered using the other statement alone. Okay. Question is given followed by two statements. Okay, right? Still, is x plus y an integer? Okay. 2x plus y is an integer. X can take either 1 by 2, 3 by 2, right? So, yes, if 2x plus y is integer, x need not be an integer, right? So we can't use statement number 1. And next, x plus 2y is also an integer. Okay, so y also can take 1 by 2, 3 by 2. It can take plus or minus also, right? These can be plus or minus. So even by using statement 2 also, we cannot say whether x plus y is an integer or not. Answer will be D. Right? Let's go to the next question. A person buys 3 articles PQR for rupees 50. That means P plus R is equals to 50. The price of article Q is 16. Okay, we get Q value 16. So P plus R will be 34. Okay. What is the question? Price of P. Correct. Now let's go to the statement. Cost of P is not more than R. That means what? P should be either less than or equal to R. Right? It is not more than R. Now, statement number 2. Cost of R is not more than cost of P. That means R should also be less than or equal to P. See, from these two statements, commonly we are getting what? P is equals to R, right? See, P is equals to R. What will be value of P? P is equals to R means 2P is equals to 34. That means P value is equals to R value is equals to 17. Right? Yes, we are getting the price of P value by using both the statements. Right? So answer will be what? C. We need both the statements. Okay? Now, let's go to the 70th question. P, Q, R, and S appeared in the test. 4 people appeared in the test. P scored, what's the question? Has P scored more than Q. Okay. Either it should be answer should come yes or no. Okay. Let's see. Sum of marks scored by P and Q is equals to sum of marks scored by R and S. That means P plus Q is equals to R plus S. Okay. But by using these statements, you cannot say whether P is scored more or less. Right? So let's go to statement number 2. The sum of the marks scored by P and S, that means P plus S, is more than the sum of marks scored by P and R. See, even from this statement also, we can tell. By using both these statements also, we cannot conclude, right? So answer will be what? D. Cannot be answered by using both the statements together. Okay. 73rd question. Age of P and Q is less than 100 but more than 10. That means two values should be between 11 and 99. If you interchange the digits of P, the number represents, let's take P is equals to XY and Q is equals to YX. Okay. What is asking? The difference of their ages. Now, statement number 1. The age of P is greater than age of Q. That means XY greater than YX. By using this statement 1, we cannot determine the difference, right? No. Let's go to the statement number 2. The sum of their ages is 11 by 6 times of the difference. Let's check. It's telling what? X5 plus 5x is equals to 11 by 6 times of x5 minus yx. d6. By converting, we can write, we have done many times now, such type of problem. We get 10x plus 5 is equals to 10y plus x is equals to 11 by 6 times of 10x plus y minus 10y minus x. Right? So what we get? 11 times of x plus y is equals to 11 by 6 times of 9 times of x minus 11 by x times. Okay, let's reprove with reason by cross multiplication 2x plus 2y is equals to 3x minus 3y. Okay, after rearranging, x is equals to 5y. Right? X and y are what? X can take values from 1 to 9. See here, between 11 and 900. So, if y is equals to 1, x will be what? X is equals to 5. Y is equals to 2, x should be 10. But no, x and y can take values between 1 to 9 only. That means only we are getting this set of values. So, what is age of P? It is 51. Age of Q is 15. Right? Other possibility, P should be 15, Q should be 51. What is the difference? Difference never changes. Difference is at 6. Either of the cases. So, we could able to find the answer by using statement 2 alone. Right? So, 7th answer will be what? The question can be answered by using one of the statements alone. Okay. A main statement is followed by 4 statements labeled P, Q, R, and S. Choose the ordered pair of the statements where the first statement implies the second and the 2 statements are logically consistent with the main statement. Main statement is what? Pradeep becomes either a doctor or a producer. Okay, that means he has to pick either one of these 2 professions. If he is a doctor, he cannot be a producer. If he is a producer, he cannot be a doctor. Director, sir. Now see, what is statement P? Pradeep is a director. So, Pradeep is not a producer. See here, Pradeep is not a producer. That means these 2 statements are inconsistent. Right? Logically? No. Pradeep is a producer, so he cannot be a director, right? So this is here. Q and R and consistent. That means PS and R. See, both SP and RP. Alright. So answer is C. Now, see here, we have given the equation and we have given the meaning of the signs. So let's write 10 plus 30 means, the plus means what? Minus. So 10 minus 30. And 30 minus 100. Minus means what? Multiplication. So 30 multiplied by 100. Right? Next, multiplication means what? Division. So divided by 50. Okay. Divided by means what? Plus. Plus 24. Right? See here. 10 minus 30 into 100 divided by 50 will 2 plus 20. Next, this value. 10 minus 60 plus 25. So 35 minus 60. Answer is minus 25. Answer is D. Okay. Let's do some next question. P means greater than. If Q means less than. R means not greater than. S means not less than. T means equal. He has given the statements. Now see here. 2x S 3y. What is this? Not less than. So that means 2x not less than means either greater than or equal to 3y. Right? T means what? Equal to no. That is 3x is equals to 4z. See here. We can substitute x value from here in this equation. Right? What will we get? 2 times of 4z by 3 greater than equal to 2y. Ultimately, 8z greater than or equal to 9y. And what is asking? 9y be 8z. That means 9y greater than 8. See here, we are getting 8z greater than 9y is given reverse. So, statement 1 can't be correct. Now see, x q 2y. Q means what? Less than. So, x perfectly less than 2y. Right? Now again, y rz. R means what? Not greater than. So, y less than or equal to z. Right? So, how can we write here? See, we can rewrite it as x by 2 less than y, right? So, what we got? Y less than or equal to z. So, y less than or equal to z and y greater than x by 2. So, it will be what? X greater than or equal to, sorry, x less than or equal to 2z, right? And now see here. Then x r z. What is r? Not greater than. That means x less than or equal to z. Let's see. We got x less than or equal to 2z. Right? So, statement is also wrong. Answer will be what? Either one or two. Okay. If in a certain code ABCD is written as 24. See what are the numbers of ABCD? 1, 2, 3, 4. By multiplying all these numbers, what will you get? 2 times of 3, 6. 6 times of 4, 24. Okay, let's check. E, F, G, H. Next one, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? See, 6 on the 42. Right? 42 for the 168. And other 2 is left now. 2 into 4, 10. So 168 into 10. 1680. That means yes. This logic is correct. Now next will be what? 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to multiply all these numbers. This will be the answer. Simply what? 11 nines are 99. 99 into 12, right? So 12 nines are 108. plus 12 into 100. 88, double 1. So 10 is left, 0. Answer is A. Double 1, double 8, 0. 70th question. In a certain code, pot, it is written as A top. So he's putting A and writing in the reverse fashion. Right? So, okay. Next to trap, he's putting A and writing reverse PART. Right? Similarly, he has been arena. So let's put A and write from reverse from here this side A. Okay. This A N P R double A Nera. Yes. Answer is D. Okay. See here friends, 79th question. He is asking the missing number in the sequence. I sincerely suggest friends, when such type of questions are asked, please do this question in the end. Why? Because sometimes we cannot get the logic within seconds. You know what's the logic behind the sequence? 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1. Then it will become 3. 2 cube plus 2 square plus 2. That means 8 plus 4 plus 2. 14. Then next 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3. Right? 27 plus 9. 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Right? 84 means 4 cube plus 4 cube plus 4. It will become 84. That means the star value will become what? 5 cube plus 5 square. 125 plus 25. 150 plus 5. Answer is 150. I don't know. There may be students, there may be aspirants like us who got this logic correctly in the examination, that too within seconds. But I think it is humanly impossible to get such type of logic in the examination. So this question, okay, in set A it is 79th question. Set A people are very lucky. But in other sets, they may have got this question in the first 20 or 30 questions. So there is a chance of wasting 5 to 10 minutes on this question, right? So better skip this question in the initial stage of calculation. Okay, friends, it's my sincere advice. Answer is B. Right? I'm not underestimating the capability of aspirants, but I'm telling that this logic should be straight in the exam within few seconds. I'm telling that it is not possible to all the people. Okay. So for the benefit of doubt, I'm telling please solve this question in the end. Okay. First solve the easiest questions. Right? Now let's go to the last question. In some code, letters PQ, RST represent 4, 5, 10, 12, 15. Okay. It is not known which letter represents which number. Okay. If Q minus S is equals to 2S, that means what? Q is equals to 3S, right? How many numbers are possible like that? 4, 12, or 3 or 15. Right? Okay. And T is equals to R plus S plus 3. Let's take Q value is 12 and S value is 4. Okay. So two values are taken. And now it is telling that T is equals to R plus S. S we have taken 4, right? Plus 3. This will be what? T is equals to R plus 7. Now we have to take the value of R such that it should, the T value should come the number between the given set of numbers. Right? See, what is the other value? Already 4 is taken. Let's take if R is equals to 5, T is equals to what? 12. See here, yes. Here 12 is present. But see, already 12 is taken. Right? So R value can't be 5. Next. What is the next value? Next value? 10. If R is 10, T will be 17. But there is no 17 in the set of values. Right? So Q and S can be 12 and 4. So now let's go for the other combination. What is the other combination? Q is 15 and S is equals to 5. Let's check whether we are getting well correctly or not. See, T will become what? R plus S plus 3. S taken 5 now. So R plus 5 plus 3 will be 8. Right? No. Let's take the values. If R is equals to 4, T will become what? 4 plus 8. So T will become 12. Okay. So 15 is done. 5 is done. 12 is done. R we took 4. Then P value will become what? P value will become 10. Right? So yes, we got all the values. Now is asking value of T plus R minus T. What is the P value of P? 10. R we have taken 4. Right? Minus T. T is what? 12. 14 minus 12. Answer is 2. Yes, we're getting exactly. So, okay, friends, we have completed entire questions of maths related aptitude questions of CSAT papers, right? From 2015 or 2013, I suppose. From the Shivin Sir PDF, we have completed. And in that 2023 paper and 2024 paper was not the questions. We have completed 2023 paper and 2024 paper as well successfully. So, thank you, friends. This strategy helped me in my 2024 attempt. So far, I've attempted 4 prelims. In the first prelims, second prelims, third prelims. Oddly, I secured 90, 70, and 80 marks. So averagely, I've got only 75 to 80 marks. But in 2024 paper, because of Shivin Sir's strategy, by solving all the PYQ questions, and that too, earlier I used to do only maths related questions. I never attempted passage questions. But Shivin Sir asked me to do us solve few maths questions, then go to passages, and then go to maths questions again, and then come to passages. And in this way, your brain does not get strained, and you will the brain works productively, so that you can attempt more number of questions. I used to attempt only 40 to 45 questions in the examination, and I secured 70 to 80 marks. Yes, 66 is the cutoff for CSAT, and I secured cutoff now. But 2024, in that attempt, I was able to solve almost 65 to 70 questions in the exam, and I secured 150 plus marks. To be precise, 157 marks by using the key of Vision IAS. I'll also share my marks when the UPSC gives the official marks of prelims. I'll definitely share with you people. I don't need to bluff you. Okay. I'll also share. So this, because of this strategy, I almost secured double the number of marks which I used to secure in the past attempts. Right. Earlier I used to get on average 75 to 80 marks. In 2024 I got 157. There is no use of securing 150 plus mark, but I'm telling you that this strategy works for everyone. See, earlier you may have not qualified CSAT, but if you even score 80, 90 marks because of this strategy, it will help you, right? So thank you, friends, for watching all these videos, and all the best to you all. And I'll also be continuing the videos on CSAT. When I clear the prelims this time in the GS paper, I'll also try to make videos on GS as well, because now I'm not qualified enough to make videos on GS. And once I secured good marks in my anthropology optional papers, if I qualify in mains, then I'll also try to share my knowledge and all this summary or my notes or anything else. I'll definitely share in this channel. And so we'll also discuss about anthropology in the future. All these videos will be in future, provided if I qualify in GS prelims and GS mains and also anthropology. Right? If I secure good rank, definitely I will try to make videos on the preparation on a whole. I'll try to give snippets, right? So I should be qualified enough to do all those things, right? So as of now, I've scored good marks in CSAT, so that's why I'm making CSAT videos in my first inception of this channel. Okay, friends. Sorry to waste your time. All the best again. I hope this strategy will help you as well. Please share the success story once you have attempted this 2025 prelims paper. Please let me know whether it helped you people or not. If it helped you, I'll be very happy. If it didn't help you, we'll definitely come out with other strategy as well. We'll discuss all the other things. After completion of the exam also, I'll also solve 2025 CSAT paper for you people. Okay, friends.